Hey guys, DIY Tech here. So in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a new completed project of mine called ReSound. So basically, I converted an old T&G speaker to an hybrid form of speaker, whereby it's not only Bluetooth connectivity that you can use on the speaker. Now, with the update, I was able to integrate an ESP32 and some other major components, and also improve the power supply system of this speaker so it can last longer. This update gives it the ability to have an AI integration, basically, hence the name ReSound. So it's basically giving a new voice to an old discarded technology. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how a first-time user will be able to go about the setting up of this device itself. So I'm going to show you how a first-time user is going to set up the ReSound smart speaker. So basically, once the speaker is turned on, it creates a Wi-Fi access point whereby the user is meant to connect to it. So once the user connects to it, it takes them to a captive portal whereby they have to fill in the details. So in my own case, I'm going to put my preferred Wi-Fi source. Please pick a reliable internet source. I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to rename the speaker to my speaker. So let's go about that. Once that's done, that's all the first time user needs to put in, then the speaker is ready to go. Okay, so the purpose of the first time setup is basically to connect the device to a reliable internet source via Wi-Fi, and also give it your preferred name. And so now let's go on to the demonstration of this video of the project. So I'm going to be using the Bluetooth function of this device. So I have this phone with me here, and I'm going to connect it to the Bluetooth of this device. Okay. It should be connected. Okay, so as you can hear, there's a sound playing from the device currently. I don't know if you can even still hear my voice. So let's move on to the next feature. The next feature of this device is basically how Alexa works, but on a much lower scale, because of this is just the first version. Let me drop my phone. This is just the first version. So I'm going to be communicating to the speaker now in a moment. Let's start with hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
So we've gotten the response of the speaker. Okay, so let me communicate again to it. I'm good. What is the weather like? What is the weather like?
It's currently 25 degrees with light drizzle in Lagos, Nigeria. Humidity is 95% and wind is 8 kilometers.
Okay. Another feature of this project is that it has the ability to set reminders. I can basically tell it to remind me to take my drugs in 20 seconds or 10 seconds, and it will do that. So let me do that now. Remind me to take my drugs in 10 seconds.
Reminder
Okay, so
set
let's
for
count
10
down.
seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Your
0.
alarm is ringing.
There you go. It gave me a reminder. So there are other features that I plan on adding and improving on, like connection to YouTube Music, Spotify, and also I'm also looking into integration with Home Assistant for those with smart home devices, and they want to integrate this kind of speaker to their smart home so it can control maybe their bulbs and all of that. So this is the first version. um I'm seriously working on the other versions. Hopefully it will be out sooner than later. So this first version is basically a foundation, it's a base version of what is to come. Let's try our best to keep the earth clean, always recycle. Thank you very much. I'm DIY Techie. God bless.